Man like Charlie and man like Harold. Where's Harold? Harold! Come on then! You want to play games, do you? You want to play games with Barry the Breaker Bar? I'm gonna cut myself.
Jump in the road, you done.
Yeah, lads. Right then, lads, it is round 2 of the bloody screamer pipe. Now this time, I'm not gonna, it's going on today. I bought some tools which I need. It's going on today, right? It's going on today, lads. I'm not even joking. It's going on today. You started the video with just me. There is no third person filmer, but there is a third person filmer inside. She's inside. If I need her, which I will do, then I'll go and grab her. But the one thing we need, basically, the one thing that stopped us is one bolt, which we don't even need. Happily could snap that off. So look at this guy. We've bought something which will happily snap it off. I'm hoping. Yes, this is the biggest chisel I could possibly find. It is massive. And we're just going to chisel that bolt off under there. So let's get the bonnet up, let's get it jacked up. Now, all was an off fail last time. Last time I spent loads of time doing things I didn't need to do, i.e. taking the bumper off. We don't need to do that. So basically last time, yes, it was a big fail, but we also learned what we need to do and what we don't need to do. First of all we need to do is we can get this off. We're going to keep the car on the floor and we're going to snap that bolt on that heat shield. It's the first thing we're going to do. Right, let me zoom in the bolt that we need. Canon G7X life, we might be here for a while, because the zoom life is not about the zoom life. This bolt there, this guy needs to be gone. And I've got the biggest fucking chisel I could find, and I'm going to hammer away at this. I'm going to have to blur that out because I can't say that on YouTube until it comes off. So we got Harold the Hammer. So we're going to get Harold in a minute. We'll call this guy, should we call him Charlie the Chisel? Charlie, right. Man like Charlie and man like Harold. Where's Harold? Harold! Harold is a big boy. Look, he Thor's hammer this. Look at that. Right, let's just go. I'm just going to send it.
Go on, go for it, Lee. Go on.
Just going for it.
Mitsubishi's all over the Mitsubishi owners right now all over the world hate you.
They don't, they feel my pain. I'm trying to knock the bolt at the side so it spins it. Because in a minute, if I just try and just go straight through and try and grind it off, I might not get close enough to the metal, but it's coming off today. I'm going to try this way. Other than that, I'm just going to be here 4 hours just whacking it. But it's just taking chunks off. It's actually not even spinning it. It's a strong bastard, this lot, I tell you. Right then, lads, here's where I'm at. I think I'm going to have to remove the radiator because EVO life, man. You can't even get the O2 send socket off with the radiator being on. So I'm going to have to drain the radiator. I know. And then I'm going to have to pull the radiator off. Usually on EVOs and Japanese cars, not that bad. There's just 2 brackets on at the top and it just slides out. But this one, the bolt, actually, the bolt's non-existent anymore. Like it just absolutely shredded. The bolt was rusted as fuck. I took ages getting this bolt off. 2 turn loosen, 1 turn tight. 2 turn loosen, 1 turn tight. And I've got that out, got that bolt out, which is salvageable. But I'm gonna have to pull the radiator off. Do you want the good news or the bad news?
Good.
The good news is I'm not that pissed off about the bad news. But the bad news is we've got to take the radiator off. This is gonna be the only
to get to the bolt.
We've got another issue. The lambda sensor. I can't get the lambda sensor off without the radiator being on either. All this is a fucking heat shield. But I'm just gonna do it. It's not. The weather's okay. I'm just gonna crack on. I'm gonna try and enjoy myself. And it's okay because you're here, so you can get food, can't you?
I'm really hungry, babe.
Yeah, so you can go and get some food.
Should I go and get food?
And I'm just gonna drain the radiator. Totally drain the radiator. Take the radiator off, and then thinking maybe I can actually get. I don't really know, but if I get the radiator out of the way, it just saves my life being a little bit better. Yeah. So are you going to get some food? Okay. So what I'm doing now is, guys, I'm just pulling off this under tray. It causes more hassle than good, and I'm just going to pull it as much as I can because it's just stopping you from getting anything underneath the car. So all this is going to come off. Then I can actually access to the bottom radiator hose. I can actually get to the turbo better. It's just this is just not good to have this. So this is coming off, which requires a lot of them plastic clips. But I'm just taking my time. I'm being a lot more happy today. I'm just taking my time with stuff, and hopefully, you know, the weather's quite nice. I hope it stays like this and we have a good time. Right, coolant's draining. Took off all the coolant lines, drained it all. this should start coming off now. Now the only fucking thing is annoying, this fan is a bit of a dick.
We don't want that to break again.
I'm gonna have to pull it off to get it out and get it on the pain. There we go. Right, that's the fan. Oh my god, I've literally stripped half the car down. Right now this should just pull straight out. Should be in the keyway. There you go. Have a lot more room there. The only thing I'm worried about, maybe I shouldn't have twatted that bolt, because now I probably might be able to get it out. But we'll see. Let's get a spanner. I think that's the bolt turning, which is good. I think it was. Yeah, the bolt's turning.
Yay! Oh my god, do a happy dance.
Fortnite dance.
So attractive, aren't you, baby?
It's getting tight, but that's fine because I just want it to snap. And then we need to find a way to get that. Maybe I might be able to wriggle it out over the oxygen sensor, which is good. Because I don't think that oxygen sensor is going to come out very easy. And then I think then we might be on to something.
Really?
Yeah, Fortnite dance.
Then we might be onto our half-an-hour job.
How's it going? Oh yeah, what's it do? Oh, it's like that. There we go. Actually seen one more bolt at the bottom, which I would never have found without the radiator off. Let's bring out the big boys, see if I can handle this one, the little bar stool. Come on then. You want to play games, do you? You're going to play games with Barry the Breaker Bar? We're going to snap your little face, lad. Come on then, let's have you. Let's have you, lad. Let's see how strong. Come on, I dare you to snap straight away. Come on. Come on. There he comes. Look at him. He didn't even get up a fight. Fucking pussy.
Does it come off?
Yeah, of course he has. Barry, don't piss about, babe. But I've said, nah, lad, I ain't having you. And then man like Barry come out and said, you know what, I can fit in there, Lee. And I said, can you, lad? He said, yeah, lad. Right, come on, Barry. He's getting tight again. Let's sort him out. Come on, snap. I went. Did he snap? Look at that.
Is it off?
But the good thing is we're learning.
The good thing is
we're learning to go. Someone says to me now, someone said to me an hour ago, can you take a radiator off an EVO? I'd be like, no, lad. Now I'd be like,
no, lad.
Then I'd be like, I can, but I don't want to, lad. That's what I can say now. But the one thing is, I can say I can. I'm going to address this to you and everyone in the comments right now.
Okay, go on.
I'm going to reuse that coolant I took out. Now the thing is, babe.
Can you do that?
Yeah, you can do that. You can, because it's clean. Look at it, it's not dirty at all. I'm obviously going to funnel it.
Okay.
Everyone's going to tell me, oh, you've been put reuse, you know, you put the same coolant. Shut up, you muppets. I don't care if you're going to moan at me for using the same coolant. I'm going to use the coolant. Do you want to know why I'm going to use the same coolant? Because I didn't plan to use different coolant. So, unfortunately, everybody,
we've only got one option available, but it's on the driveway in a bucket.
Yes. There we go. Now, hopefully, that pulls through here. The coolant's clean. Come have a look. Show the comments just in case.
Just in case.
Show all the Mitsubishi doctorates in the comments. Show them. Look at that, lovely and clean. Look at that, and we're going to reuse it. And you know what? If I don't have enough,
would you drink that for £1,000?
I'm going to put tap water in.
You can't.
No, I'm not going to put tap water in. That's not. But distilled water. Yes, lads. That's been causing me so much hassle. Ugh. Right, so we can actually see what's going on here now. So there's a bolt underneath. Right, I think I need to take the downpipe completely off. I think so. Obviously, the downpipe bolts, which are there, and then maybe I might just be able to undo it and just pull it down a little bit instead of actually taking the brace off, and obviously to the decat as well. But let's get these off, and then hopefully I can just pull it down far enough. Let's see. So we got these 4 bolts. Got one here, one at the back, 2 underneath. Now I don't know how hard it's going to be the ones to get underneath, but we're just going to wing it. I've got this one moving with a 3/8 and just the cycling post, so there's a bit of a leverage. But I'm hoping I can get a breaker bar on the other ones, but there's just not enough room there to get a breaker bar in. But we're starting it. We're doing well. I'm loosening it and I'm meeting. I've really cut myself.
Oh baby, oh shit, that's really bad.
So the top 3 bolts are off, loose. This one has been an absolute pain because you can only get a spanner in it, you can't get a socket on there. So and it comes down to here, and you can't actually put an extension on it either because there's no room. So I've been busting my knuckles. I finally got it moving. So it's just started to move now. So, but then the worrying thing is that there's one more bolt, and it's right at the back. And it literally looks like the hardest one.
Oh no.
So yeah.
But once that one's off, can you do it?
Once that one's off, it looks like I can do it, yeah. Oh my god, is it been difficult?
It's been a hard one, this, hasn't it, for you, babe?
Yeah, it's been horrible. It's literally hard. I think maybe you could get a thumbnail there, actually. 4 of the 5 bolts are loose. I have no idea how I'm going to get to the last one. It's literally impossible. You can't go from underneath. It's impossible. You can't go from underneath because literally the engine is there and there's no gap through. It's literally right underneath. So I've got this one off, that one off, that one off, that one off. No, I've got this one off, that one, and that one. This one's just impossible. It really is just impossible. And there's one right underneath, and I have no idea how I'm going to get to it. I can't get a socket on there. I've tried every variations of sockets, like 3/8 with extensions, 3/8 with wobble heads, 1/4 inch, everything, and it's just not. I have no idea how I'm going to get to it. Right, my back is in agony.
Your back's soaking wet.
I've finally got the last bolt off.
Oh my god, let's hope it actually goes on now.
I found out there was only one way to get to it. Or if you use that and a long socket, it wasn't long enough, it caught on the elbow. If you used an extension and a small one, it was too long. I had to find the perfect... Oh my god, this has been horrific.
I know, babe, it took you 4 hours.
A 14mm spanner.
To get one bolt off.
A 14mm socket. A 3/8 extension, and then that, and it's just long enough. Now, it should come off my fingers now, and I think there's just one bracket holding it on, but after I've got this off, we should be fine then.
I had to step on anything.
Right, so the elbow's coming away now. Now, it feels like there definitely is something on underneath, so let's go and have a look.
Oh my god.
Right, don't be rusty. Oh, you bastard. Will you be able to pass me Barry? Got it. Come on, Lockwood. I'm having a week off after this.
And he's back with the hammer. You ran. This is the moment we've been waiting for 2 days now. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. I can't actually believe it's off.
Let's hope these match up. Hang on,
Let's
I'm
hope.
worried that they don't. Do they?
Yeah, they do. They do? Jump in the road, you done. That woman absolutely
slowing down for you, silly bitch. You want a main road,
She
mate?
thought that you were going to jump in the front of a car.
Just got a turbo elbow off. Why would I do that? Right, okay. Oh, right, this is exciting. This might take an hour, might take 7.
Well, we've not got an hour.
What do you mean?
Well, it's going to go dark soon.
I feel like this is going to take a lot of wiggling about. And maybe the better going underneath. Then it's certain that it does go underneath.
It's nearly on, babe.
It's just really hard wiggling it on. Really difficult. We had to pull a brace bar off underneath. The exhaust had to come off. I've really cut my finger quite a lot actually, so I'm gonna have to.
Shit.
Yeah, it's really deep. So I'm gonna have to put these bolts on quickly, and then wash my hand. I think that'll hold there as it is. I'm just gonna wash my hand, to be fair. Right, so
tell everyone I fixed it.
you did very well. Gav actually lined it up and threaded in the bolt, which I'm very proud of. Well done.
No, because you couldn't do it on your own. Let's
No,
just...
I'm not being sarcastic. I'm actually not being sarcastic. Like no, it's not easy.
You couldn't have
to do
done it on your own.
I couldn't have done it. I literally couldn't have. So, come over here. Right, we got it lined up.
But we've had a...
We got it lined up, but I've just got to pull all the bolts back in now. Annoyingly, one of the studs actually came out with this, which is going to be really annoying trying to get that out. I'm not quite sure what I'm going to do yet with that, but it's on. I'm probably just going to put the easy bolts in here tonight, put the exhaust on, because that's probably going to be the hardest thing, so I'm going to need you for that as well. So actually no, I need to put the exhaust on now, to be fair.
Okay.
Because that's going to be the hardest thing. But we'll put 2 bolts in just to make sure it's lined up properly. And then I'm probably going to do the rest of them. It's going to get dark soon, isn't it? So
yeah.
Right, let's crack on with that then.